Hello students, how are you all? Yes, today is our English subject. Poem number 2, Home Sweet Home. Last lesson also we did revision of this poem. It is a poem. Poem number 2, Home Sweet Home. Do you remember this? Home Sweet Home. Last lecture also we did it. Okay. So now, see. What we will learn today? Revision of hard words. Last lecture we did hard words. Explanation of the poem. I had explained also the poem, but again today also I will explain and read the poem once again so that you will be able to learn it and understand it properly. Then we will do meanings of this poem. Okay? What we will do? Meanings. Okay? See now hard words. So, first we will revise hard words. You all know. Yes. First one is HOME, home. Do you remember this? HOME, home. Number 2, which is number 2? Sticks. 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 Okay. Number 3. MUD, mud. Can you guess? MUD, mud. Can you guess this picture? Yes. What is this? Very good. It is blocks. 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 Okay. See now, this is a tall building. So, guess what was the word? It was stories. STOREYS. Stories. I told you in last lecture it is a floor. Okay. Then number 6, under. 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 Okay. Then can you see this water? Yes. What was the word here? It is ocean. 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 Okay. Now see the next picture. Which picture is this? Yes, it is a windmill. Spelling WINDMILL. Windmill. What is this? Windmill. Picture of a windmill. Okay. See now. Next one. See this picture? I had given that word here. So what is this word? Can you guess? You all know this. Yes, it is above. 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 The house. Okay. Then what is this? Can you guess the word? I gave you one word. So number 10 is chimney. Yes, you all have given the right answer. Chimney. Now see the spelling. CHIMNEY. Chimney. Okay. Now can you remember this picture? Yes. Now see this is. Yes. See I told you I described this. This is a family. So what is the word here first? Safe. 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 Then the word is. I told you just now. What was the word? It was family. Say the spelling. FAMILY. Family. Okay. Now you all have understood this word? Yes. Now see these two girls. They were having balloons. Okay. So do you know the word? Sound. SOUND. Sound in good condition. Yes. Number 14 is friends. 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 I had explained you this. Number 15. ADORE. Adore. Okay. Have you done this? All the words? Yes. So now what will become next? We will read the poem. A home can be made of sticks and mud. Can you hear? See, I had explained you. We had seen in the hard words, that what are sticks? It is a small pieces of wood. So it can be made of sticks. Now see here the next picture. It is made of mud also. A home. A home can be made of mud also. Yes, today we will revise what we have learned in the last lecture. Different types of houses and how they are made. Okay. So a home can be made of sticks and mud. Sticks and mud. Do you remember? A home can be made of sticks and mud. Come on, read with me you all. A home can be made of sticks and mud. Do you remember this? Again, a home can be made of sticks and mud. Come on, say it once. A home can be made of sticks and mud. Can you read it? Yes. See again I am reading. Read with me. A home can be made of sticks and mud. See, read this way. A home can be made of sticks and mud. Okay. Now see here. It is an igloo. What is our home made of? Of great big blocks of snow. Of great big blocks of snow. A home can be made of great big blocks. I showed you in the hard words, no? There were blocks. You have noticed? There were blocks, okay, of snow, of great big blocks of snow. Yes. A home can be made of sticks and mud, of great big blocks of snow. Yes, now you all have read this? Yes. Now see here. A home can be 20 stories tall. We have learned this word also. See the spelling. S-T-O-R-E-Y-S. Stories. Stories here it is a floor. Floor. Okay. Yes. One floor, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, a home can be 20 stories tall. This can be a home. Okay? So, read this sentence again. A home can be 20 stories tall. Okay? A home can be 20 stories tall. See, it is very, very tall. Okay, see, these buildings are also very, very tall. But this one is very tall. Okay. So, a home can be 20 stories tall. Okay. Then, or in the ground below. See the spelling. Or in the ground, ground, below, below, below. Can you see this picture? There are houses, small houses underground. See, under the ground. See, there are animals. Yes, and it is very, very greenery is there full. But then also we can see the houses. So people lives in this kind of houses also. These kind of houses are also there, which are under the ground below. Yes, here up it is a ground, and see it is below the ground. These small houses are below the ground. Can you see the picture? Can you understand this? Yes. Or in the ground below. Okay. Or in the ground below. Understood this? Where can be a house? Yes, can be ground below. It can be under the ground also. Yes, house can be under the ground. Yes, there can be under the ground below. Okay. So, now next picture. See. Or under the ocean wide. See, there is a big ocean. I told you, no, we have learned in hard words. Yes, that there is a ocean. I showed you the picture of hard words, ocean, picture of ocean. Okay. So where is the house again? The house can be under the ocean. See, it is under. There is water up. Everywhere there is water. It is underground. The house is under the ocean. Okay. Under the ocean wide. The ocean is very, very wide. And in that, under the ocean, there is a beautiful house. So this type of houses are also can be there. Yes, houses can be under the ocean also. Okay. Now see, a home can have a windmill above. A home can have a windmill. See the spelling? WINDMILL. Windmill above. See here in the picture, there is a windmill. See, can you see in the picture I am showing you? This is a windmill. Yes, it is a machine. What is windmill? It is a machine. Okay. A home can have a windmill above. Okay. Now see, or a chimney on its side. Or a chimney on its side. Yes, a home can have a chimney also. See, can you see your chimney? Yes, it is a chimney. On its side there is a chimney. See, smoke comes out of that chimney. Okay, in the big picture, can you see? See here, there is a house here and there is a chimney. For smoke comes out from the chimney. So spelling of chimney, CHIMNEY, chimney on its side. Yes, there can be a chimney on its side. Have you understood this? Now see, a home can be where you are safe and sound. Yes, safe. We are safe at home, no, nowadays. Yes, there is a corona outside, so we are safe at home. Yes, we are safe from in winter, summer, rainy season. When rain comes, no, we are very, very safe in our house. Yes, do you know? And sound, it is our good condition. The meaning of sound in this poem is good condition. So I will teach you that also today. A home can be where you are safe and sound. See this spelling. What does it mean? We will learn in the meanings. SOUND, sound. See again. A home can be where you are safe and sound. Yes, we are with family, no? We are safe at home. Or with family, friends and more. Or with family, friends and more. We are with family, no? Yes, see this, we are with family. We are there with our friends also. Where? In our house, with our home. A home can be where you are safe and sound, or with family, friends and more. Okay, have you understood this? See here. A home can be where you are safe and sound. See, you have to read like this. See, first listen. Okay, students, listen first. A home can be where you are safe and sound. Okay, listen. See, now again I am reading this. A home can be where you are safe and sound. How you have to read? A home can be where you are safe and sound. Understood? Yes. Or with family, friends and more. Or with family, friends and more. See again. A home can be where you are safe and sound, or with family, friends and more. See, you have to learn this poem. So how you will learn these two lines? Yes, a home can be where you are safe and sound, or with family, friends and more. Understood this? Yes, see again. First you listen, then you will speak with me. Okay, listen first. A home can be where you are safe and sound, or with family, friends and more. A home can be where you are safe and sound, or with family, friends and more. Understood these two sentences? Yes, now you can speak with me. Okay. A home can be where you are safe and sound, or with family, friends and more. Or with family, friends and more. Okay. See now. A home can be where you have your heart. See this. A home can be where you have your heart. See, what is the spelling? Where? W-H-E-R-E, where? You have your heart. See, spelling of heart. H-E-A-R-T, heart. See here the house. Okay. And all that you adore, whatever you like, whatever you love, adore means love, whatever you love, you can get at your home. So read these two sentences. First you listen. Okay. A home can be where you have your heart. Okay, now see, you can say, speak with me, say with me. A home can be where you have your heart. A home can be where you have your heart. Understood? A home can be where you have your heart and all that you adore. And all that you adore. Adore means love. Okay? A home can be where you have your heart and all that you adore. Now you have understood these 2 points? See, a home can be where you have your heart and all that you adore. Understood? Yes, you have to read also and you have to learn also. See again, a home can be where you have your heart and all that you adore. Adore. A-D-O-R-E. Adore. Understood this? See here. A home can be where you have your heart and all that you adore. Understood? See here, there is a beautiful picture of a house. Yes, we have our heart there, means wherever we are living there. Yes, we live there in our home, there we feel safe and there are all the things are there in the house which we like, which we love. Yes, okay. See again, a home can be where you have your heart and all that you adore. Understood this? A home can be where you have your heart and all that you adore. Okay, you all have learned this? Yes, I think now you must be knowing this. This is your revision, no? So you have learned, you must have learned this poem as well. Very good. Okay, so see I am reading again so that you will be able to read these 2 lines. A home can be where you have your heart. A home can be where you have your heart and all that you adore. See here, a home can be where you have your heart and all that you adore. See, remember this. Okay. Now see, what will be there? meanings. Today we will learn meanings. See here, meanings. Meanings. Meanings of what? Meanings of poem. Which poem? Poem number 2. Home Sweet Home. Do you remember this? Yes, these are meanings today. We will learn meanings. So, listen carefully and then you have to write this also. Okay? You must have completed in your fair book. This is your revision, no? So, you must have completed this. See now number 1. blocks. Blocks. See here, I showed you in hard words. This is also a picture of a blocks. Blocks. Can you see this? Yes. What is the meaning of blocks? What are blocks? What are blocks? Blocks are large, solid pieces. Large means big, solid. Yes, they are solid. We can see here there is the shape. There is a rectangle, square shape, and they are in small pieces. Yes, they are not full block. They are small pieces, and it is used to make a wall. See, there is a wall here. For these pieces are arranged so that it can be a wall. See here. L-A-R-G-E, large. See the spelling of large. L-A-R-G-E, large. Solid, S-O-L-I-D, solid. Pieces, P-I-E-C-E-S, pieces. See again. Blocks, large, solid, pieces. Large, solid pieces. See again, I am telling you. B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks, large, L-A-R-G-E, large, solid, S-O-L-I-D, solid, pieces, P-I-E-C-E-S, pieces. Okay, large, solid pieces. Large, solid pieces. Now do you remember blocks? What is the meaning of blocks here? What is the meaning? Can you remember? Yes. Can you tell the spelling? Very good. Can you remember? B-L-O-C-K-S, blocks. What you have to write here? Yes. You all know, no? What will be the answer here? Meanings of blocks. What you have to write here? You have to write large solid pieces. You should know the spelling of these 3 words. Okay? L-A-R-G-E, large. S-O-L-I-D, solid. P-I-E-C-E-S, pieces. Large, solid pieces. Okay? Now see number 2. Windmill. Windmill. W-I-N-D, wind. M-I-L-L, mill, windmill. Can you see here the windmill? Yes, it is a windmill. So what is the meaning of windmill? What is windmill? Windmill is a machine. What is the spelling? First you have to write A. Then M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. A machine. See, learn the spelling of machine. M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. A machine. A machine. Windmill, a machine. Okay? See now, can you spell? What is the spelling of machine? Yes, you are trying. Very good. A machine. M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. A machine. Okay? See now again. What is blocks? Do you remember what is blocks? Yes. So the answer is large solid pieces. Windmill. Windmill is a machine. A machine, machine. Yes, it is a machine. It tells us about the wind. Okay. So now see number 3. Sound. 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 What is the meaning of sound? Meaning of sound is in good condition. See these words. In GOOD, good condition. CONDITION, condition. Yes, we are sound, means we are living happily, we are living safely in our house. So it is sound. Okay, we are safe and sound at our home. So sound means in good condition. Yes, SOUND, sound. What is the meaning of sound? In good condition. CONDITION, condition. See again. Sound. What will be the answer? You have to tell. Yes, you are trying very well. So it is in good condition. Now see number 4. Adore. ADORE, adore. What will be the answer? Love. Adore means LOVE, love. LOVE, love. Okay, see now again. Adore. First one, number 3, sound. What will be the answer here? What you have to write? In good condition. Number 4 is adore. What will be the answer? Adore means LOVE, love. Okay. Now see children, those who are doing good homework, no? Yes. So now we will see. I will write their names also. So you will be able to see that. Okay. So students who are doing their homework very, very good in our English homework. Which homework? English homework. Those who are doing very good, no? I have written their name. So this year today I have written Chabadia Fatema's name. Yes, she is doing best in her homework. She is doing regular homework of English. Best performance in homework. Who is doing? It is Chabadia Fatema. Yes, it is Chabadia Fatema. Understood this? Yes, you all have known? Good? Very good. Okay. So, you also want your name here, no? So, what you have to do? What you have to do? You also have to do your work with good handwriting. Okay. In good handwriting you have to do your homework. Very good. And you have to send to your miss. Okay. You are doing homework, no? Then you are sending, no? So, this time also, who have done homework? Chabadia Fateh. Many of them are doing homework. But one by one I will write their name and I will tell you that who is the doing best. Okay. So, best performance in homework. Which standard? Standard 1. It is a Chabadia Fatema. Chabadia Fatema. She is doing her work very, very well. Okay. Understood? So you also will do your homework regularly. Whatever it is written, whether it is reading or learning. Reading or learning or writing. You have to do it properly. Okay. Next time you will do your homework, no? So I will write their name also. So, okay. Yes. Now, see. So, see, today in this we have learned many houses, different kinds of houses. Okay, which has chimney on its side. See, different kind of houses. They are made of sticks and mud. They are helpful. We are safe and sound at our house. We are living with our family, friends and more. Okay, we are living with family. No, our family are living with us. And our friends also come to our house to play. Okay, so we are safe and sound in our house. We are safe and sound in our house, no? Yes, and we love our home. All the things which are there, no, we love. It is available in our house. Understood you all? Yes, all have done? Yes, now see again, you have to see all these things. You have to read your book. You have to read PDF. I am sending you PDF, no? So you have to read from that PDF. Okay? Yes, very good. So learn all the adverbs and meanings. Okay? And do your work very well so that your name will also come. Okay? Be safe at home. Okay? Yes.